I want to introduce you guys to the brand new Axe 240 with the flare handle. Axe has changed the game one more time. We're gonna take a few hits real quick just to show you guys, but this handle is absolutely amazing. It fits my swing perfect. For all you people that had a hard time with the regular Axe handle, this is gonna be for you, because we all know the barrel is absolute fire. So let's see how it goes.
I have no problem dropping a pinky with this, but this makes it that much easier and that much more controllable. So
yep,
it's we'll see how it goes. Ooh, woo. That jumped.
Whoa, that thing sounds good.
Sounds really good.
Wow. I went about 325, 330. Oh, that thing sounds awesome.
We get through the infield pretty quick. And you still can find where the Axe handle is too, so that's what's nice. Not searching.
Oh, terrible.
Jared hasn't been known to have the best DT in the world, but it